College Gym Vids fan, going live on YouTube. I'm watching the zoo called The Tiger's Dance. When keepers introduce two tigers as potential mates, the process proves bumpy. A pair of African porcupines arrive at the zoo, requiring delicate handling. It's World Animal Day on October 4th, as well as Vodka Day and National Taco Day. I already posted a National Vodka Day video, and I already posted a National Tiger Day. A National Taco Day video. Now I'm doing my animal video. The Zoo is a TV series on Animal Planet. Ooh, giraffes. I love giraffes. They're pretty animals. Well, I love tigers too. I think tigers are pretty animals. Ooh, there's a tiger now.
I love working with the tigers. Tigers have always been one of my favorite animals. To work with them on
I actually don't have a favorite animal because I love a lot of animals. But I love tigers.
Harry is a 7-year-old Amur tiger. He came to us from the Erie Zoo.
The LSU mascot is an LSU tiger.
She wasn't taking care of him properly, and so he was hand-reared.
Peace out, YouTube.